so cold outside. Just gonna let my car warm up. Well, windshield cleared itself without me even doing anything, so that's nice. I got a jacket this time, so I'm not dying out here. Damn, it's windy as hell. These poor BMX bikes. This is what you get for living in Chicago. You get the cold and you get the fucking wind. Very, very surprised. When I got out to my car was at operating temperature. I was like, okay, once I rev up the car and start driving, it's gonna drop. Nope, hasn't dropped at all. Did my thermostat fix itself? Probably not. It'll probably go down as soon as I get on the highway. Aha. I knew it was too good to be true. And it's starting to snow. I know. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's actually pretty hard to see. Could you imagine this weather when you're delivering your Krusty Krab pizza? Wow, normally there's a field there where people take their horses, and now you can't see any of it. It's just white everywhere. I hate this weather. I'm not even joking, when I left, the ground was just normal, and now it's like literally snowed over. Like on that side, there's not even road. I don't know if I should be doing this with one hand. When I left the house, this was completely clear. And now look, all that snow that fast, it's literally been like less than an hour. It snowed so much my original tire tracks aren't even there. I went to the right and then left to the left. But you can see I came in the driveway and I started to lose traction, so I had to drift up. And you can tell which ones are the rear and which ones are the front. Because the front, you can see the tread, but the rear, because they were sliding, are like these smooth spots. So the car kicked out this way and then started to kick out a little bit the other way. And it came all the way up. And then right here I pushed the clutch so I wouldn't hit the wall. It's pretty funny. So I was gonna do something else, but I changed my mind because I have to leave early for work for this. And it sounds like someone's stuck in the snow. Should I help them?